All right, so Ford is at $11.68 with a market cap of 45.64 billion, and we are staying steady at this $11 range. So this is pretty awesome. I expected a little bit of a drop, but we seem to keep going up little by little. So that's pretty great. In today's news, this is pretty big. So Ford boosts investment in electric and autonomous vehicles to 29 billion through 2025. So Ford plans to invest 29 billion in electric and autonomous vehicles through 2025, the company announced Thursday when it reported better than expected fourth quarter earnings. Wall Street was waiting to see Ford pour more money into emerging technologies after General Motors announced plans last year to increase spending on all-electric autonomous vehicles to $27 billion between 2020 and 2025. Ford says it plans to include $7 billion in self-driving vehicles and $22 billion in electrified vehicles, up from the $11.5 billion through 2022. But not all the announced cash in EVs is new. The company is including previous investments of roughly $7 billion since 2016, bringing Ford's new investment commitment to 10.5 billion through 2025. So this is pretty great, and it's kind of almost expected, but nonetheless, it's still great. If you watch my previous videos, Ford is going big on the electric vehicle play. I think the future with China, with the Biden administration, everything, EV is going to be the next thing. So if you've watched my previous videos, you'll know Ford is doing the Mach-E Mustang, and then they're going to do the electric F-150, and then they're also going to do the commercial lineup of electric vehicles. So this is great. This just reinforces why I am invested in Ford, because they're going to run with this new popular item, EV vehicles, and they're probably going to make a ton of money from it because nobody else is really focusing on the commercial kind of van electric vehicles like Ford. So I think that's going to give them a step up, and I think that was smart of their CEO to do that at the time. And I like to see them put up that money because they're going to get that money back, in my opinion. But we'll wait and see. So I'm hoping it hits $14 pretty soon, and I think with this investment, it will help us get that $14 stock price. And it might take us a little above, who knows, with the way things are going. So stay on top of this, do your own research, have some fun, make some money.
Video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Do your own research before making any financial investments.